my beautiful, amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and we are in for a treat for our day 5 of our Loops and Bees Christmas Advent calendar. Now, we're going to just jump right in. But before we jump right in, I want you guys to tell me which, so far, since we're on day 5, which parfait chunky yarn is your favorite color so far? We've had some pretty good openings so far with the colorways, and we also had some good little gifts in there too. So I'm excited to see what day 5 holds. I want you to tell me what's your favorite parfait chunky yarn color, and also let me know, do you like using Premier's parfait chunky yarn, and did you get yourself an advent calendar? But they come in this packet, and then it came with a nice little note to tell us to have some good fun, and we are having fun because we're back here for day 5. Let's get into it. This is day 5, guys. All right, so, all right, open this little bag. Okay. Oh, so, okay. Oh, I was not expecting this. Oh, y'all got that real reaction too. Look, my eyesight. Oh, okay. Okay, so day 5 is an exciting day, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna keep all that in too. I'm not ashamed of anything. I'm not ashamed of being me. So y'all gonna see the good, the ups, the down, the whatever you want to call it. It's just me. That's what I call it. So we have Parfait Chunky in white, which now I told y'all in another video before that I am not a fan of white yarn, but with the Parfait Chunky, and with any other white yarn, if I have to use it like with something, maybe like for a little eye whiteness when I do some amigurumi, or you know, to add it in like that, I will use it. But like standalone, like if I was to make like this white Christmas tree, you see, it's right here. I would not want like, this is gonna sound crazy, I wouldn't want my daughter to run around with the white amigurumi or like a toy that I made, because when it gets dirty, it will really like, I'll be like, oh goodness, how are we gonna get this clean? So I'm that person. So I try to stay away from white as much as I can. Okay, I know y'all don't want to hear me talk. Y'all want to see what made me go, woo! Here we go. Okay, I was not expecting this. Look at this. Okay, it says, up, and crochet. A crochet hook. Listen. Y'all know how I get down with the crochet hooks. I love crochet hooks. This I can add to my collection. This is beautiful. And I'm going to open it. We're going to open it together. We'll open it together so I can show you, because I don't want to be like holding the pack like, girl, open that thing so we can see. Here I am. Let's see now. Looking for a scissors instead of me having to go do this right here. But it's real time, y'all. It is real time. We're going to get this. It's okay. It is okay, because we got it. So this is so pretty. Oh, and it's a size 5. Look at that. So she put the size there. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that glitter, and it matches my sweater. It is so Christmassy, and it's just so cute. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Okay, so let me just shout this out right here. It says, because it says follow and tag us on social media, up, and crochet. So I'm gonna have to look them up, because I never heard of that brand, up, and crochet. So if you all are looking for like a cute, beautiful Christmassy hook, I don't know if she have it on her website, or I'm gonna say he or she, I'm not sure if they have it on their website, but check this out. If they do, or anything similar, this is awesome. We got a good pick for day 5. Okay, so listen, that's all I'm gonna say, because we have how many more days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more days that you guys will come back and see what we got in day 6. I really, really appreciate you guys watching the video. I really, really appreciate you all just sticking with me, being a part of this amazing, beautiful crochet family. I want you all to have a beautiful day. Smile, baby. Smile, smile, smile. You are gorgeous. You are awesome. And you are amazing. And as always, I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. I will see you for day 6.